Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheese salad. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 200 grams of your favorite cheese, perhaps cheddar or mozzarella, along with one large, ripe tomato and one crisp cucumber. Don't forget one small onion for a bit of zing, and a generous handful of fresh parsley. These simple components are the foundation of a truly satisfying salad. Now that you have all your ingredients, let's get them ready. Start by dicing your chosen cheese into neat 1 centimeter cubes. Next, wash your tomato and cucumber thoroughly, then chop them into pieces roughly the same size as your cheese. Finally, finely mince the small onion and chop the fresh parsley. Uniform pieces ensure every bite is perfectly balanced and enjoyable. With all your ingredients prepped, it's time to bring them together. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the diced cheese, chopped tomato, cucumber, and minced onion. For a simple yet flavorful dressing, whisk together 3 tablespoons of good quality olive oil, 1 tablespoon of your preferred vinegar, and a pinch of salt and freshly ground black pepper. Pour this lovely dressing over your salad and toss gently until every piece is beautifully coated. Your delicious cheese salad is almost ready to enjoy. Before serving, sprinkle the freshly chopped parsley generously over the top for a burst of color and aroma. This salad is perfect as a refreshing light lunch, a vibrant side dish, or even a lovely appetizer. For best results, serve it immediately. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator for up to 2 days. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.